Hello everyone. That is the only image I could find online of a Toyota Crown taxi. This is before it was even called Toyota. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And so ChoroQ has a version of this thing. I believe this is a Nagoya taxi. At least that's what I did with Google Translate, so I have you put a sticker on here. This toy came out in 2002. It's got gold standard 5-spoke wheels, some chamfered tires, interesting. And then I assume that's just Nagoya. A lot of gold on this thing. It's like a pimp car. The roof is white, but you got this gold chrome strip, I guess, going around there. You got a big chrome strip here. The bumpers, yeah, gold. The grill, gold. Silver for the headlights, of course. That little detail on the hood. And then, what the heck is going on here? I guess those are just panel gaps. Even gold around the windscreen. Yeah, this side here. And then we have gold bezels around the taillights, and then the bumper. And then we have a sticker here. And I think that says Nagoya, but correct me if I'm wrong. I can't read that stuff. Some silver here. Some gold hinges, perhaps. And some gold accents up top here. So, yeah, it's very gold. Not much else to it. It's a bigger than usual ChoroQ, it seems. Let's take a look at some other ones. Alright, let's just look at some other crowns. Here's a regular crown, going, but I took the wheels off the axles and have putty, so it's like a slammed, like hot rod kind of crown. I think it works. And then here's a police car, so it actually has an extra set of lights, searchlight, and a red light up there, a little red in the badge. So, okay. But basically it's the same casting, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. Alright, so moving forward in time, I believe this is a Toyota Crown Comfort. Yeah, it's part of a taxi collection. I can't focus on it. I don't know why. Okay. This came out in 2005. And then this is by HHQ, Hunging Toys, from 2002. It's a pretty well detailed, clear headlights and taillights. That also is a Crown Comfort. And then the last one is a more modern Crown, or it looks like a Lexus 430. LS 430, that's what it looks like to me. But this came out in 2004. It clearly looks like a taxi as well. Alright, so we've got a bunch of Toyota Crowns. Never thought I'd be collecting these, but it seems like I do. Okay, well, you can look up videos of these other ones. Just look up Toyota Crown. So this one's interesting. You know, it's if it wasn't a taxi, I'd want to slam it myself, just like the blue one. But I guess it is a taxi, so I'll leave it alone. I do enjoy the gold on it. It's quite interesting. Thank you for watching. We'll see you the next time. Bye.